Welcome to part 2. Okay, it's actually time to get ready. This is the last part, by the way. Okay. No iron golems this time. Get out of here, Do not try this at real. Do not try this at home, children. You might explode the earth. So please, don't do it. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. Okay, wait. If I die, I will respawn here in the bed.
Okay, put a bone. Hold on now.
256 blocks. Height limit for building is 256 blocks.
Okay. Okay, don't place a bed. In case I die, if I die, I will just respawn here.
Height limit for building is 256 blocks.
I mean,
Height limit for building is 256 blocks.
They found the goldfish, which are grown to be 10 inches.
okay, never mind. Let's make it down there. Okay, now it's better.
Respawn point set. You can only sleep at night. Respawn point set.
No. That's just fake blood. It's just ketchup.
Yo, maybe I just didn't listen.
Okay. Wait. Okay, now there we go. Come on, guys. Come on, like and subscribe right now. Like and subscribe right now for me to press the button. Okay, wait. Hey, that's my bed.
Respawn point set. You can only sleep at night.
Wait, I will respawn here. Okay, never mind. Okay. Now I respawn here again. Okay, never mind. I was done. I love this village. Now time for this village to come. Bye bye. Okay, remember, like and subscribe right now, so I can explore this village in 3, 2, 1.
No, bro.
What the? Ah! God damn it! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! What the? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! You can already see. Oh my goodness! It doesn't even connect me to the bed. Wait, we forgot that. Okay, never mind. It disappeared. Wait, look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, finally I did the village. Like I said right. Wait. No, the TNT there. Why? Okay, real bye.